Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. In this video we're gonna be doing coding for beginners. So in this video I'm gonna be teaching you all program number 7. We already did program number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to do program number 7. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the question. So what's the question? The question says that write a program to add two numbers and display if the sum exceeds till 100. So it says program number 7 says that write a program to add two numbers and display the sum if only the sum exceeds till 100. Okay, now let's go to the coding. Keep this like that. Okay, now let's make a new class. Let's go. New class. Then what will be the name? It will be add on pin. Okay, add on pair. Fun name. Now, okay, then keep it somewhere over here. I'll keep it over here. Nice. Scroll down, delete this because we don't need all this. This is just the example which they are giving us. We are experts. Lol. Okay. So, okay. Open curly bracket, then public string, then open curly bracket, open curly bracket, then where was I? Open curly bracket, then press enter, then int x is equal to 30. Oh, I always make mistakes. Never mind. X is equal to 30. Then int y is equal to 80. Then int sum. Then sum is equal to x plus y. Now open bracket once again and press enter, then write if sum is smaller like that, then again enter, then write system hit line, system.out.println, then in bracket write the sum is right, like the sum, once again write the sum is The sum is sum. The sum is sum. Wow. Close the bracket, then this sign. Press enter, then write else. Then again press enter, open curly bracket, then again enter, then system dot out. Print line, then right, sorry, cannot print the sum. Sorry, cannot print the sum. Okay, close this, close bracket, and sign. Now our coding is done, pretty done. As you can see, we have some errors. We have to see what's the errors, and we have some spelling mistake. I don't know what's the problem, guys, but everything is fine. But let's see if this works. Okay, I think this is the problem. Actually, I didn't do this. Now it should be fine. Yeah, I'm sorry. You have to put that inverted, double inverted marks. Now let's see. See, we are all correct. So we have to correct this, or else your whole coding is gone. Now Control S, be doing S. Now go back, right click, void main string, click OK. Now the sum is 110. So this is the answer. As you can see, we did it. So yes, guys, we did it. So yeah, if you want more videos like this, fun videos, then please subscribe, and please like and share, guys. So yeah, that's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care everyone, and bye bye. Peace out.